Tengzhou Wellon Machinery Company Limited is located in the beautiful Tengzhou City, Shandong Province, China. We specialized in manufacturing and exporting machine tools to the world for many years, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements. We can provide a full range of customized services from demand analysis, solution design to installation and commissioning, and after-sales support, to meet the personalized needs of different customers. All of our products are past the CE, ISO testing. Our factories are keeping develop and produce innovative high-tech machine tools for the metalworking industries every year. We also provide excellent after-sales service for all customers in the world. Our product range is CNC Machining Center, 5-axis Machining Center, Double-column Machining Center, CNC lathe, milling machine, drilling machine, saws and other machine accessories. Since our establishment, we won high praise from customers at home and abroad because of our high-quality products, professional service and most competitive price. With the advanced production facility, strong technical ability and professional production capability, we're sure that we can supply you the qualified products with high quality and best design. We are always trying our best to provide the high-quality products and perfect service for client. Furthermore, we pay much attention to after-sales service. Good service and good quality is quite important for Wellon Machinery. We will follow the spirit, credibility, and integrity, trying our best to provide customer with more excellent product and better service. We wish to cooperate sincerely with friends all over the world to realize mutual development.